Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. And in today's video I am installing Trendy Tresses River Curl. This is 20 inches in the color 1B. There goes some more frizzy hair right there. This is in the color 1B, and as you guys can see if you watch the install, y'all, this was not an easy install. Like, if I gotta be honest with you guys, this is probably one of the most annoying crochet hair installs I have ever done, because as soon as I took the hair out of the pack, it tangled, it matted, and everything. I was like, what the heck is going on here? I was like, oh my goodness. Like, and I had watched a couple reviews and I commented under another person's video that used another Trendy Tresses hair. It wasn't river curl, and I was like, oh, this hairstyle is so cute. I'm gonna be installing river curl in a few days. And someone commented under that, I hate river curl tangled and matted so much. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna have that problem, because the way I detangle the hair before I install it, I'm not gonna have that problem. I'm gonna be good. But y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, I wouldn't even look forward to a review video for this, because I'm probably gonna be taking this down pretty soon. Like, what is that? What is that? I know I just saw it. But yeah, please do not look forward to a review, because I'm gonna be taking this out just as quick as I put it up. Like, I could have been done with this hairstyle last night, and the fact that I had to detangle it so much was so annoying. Like, I'm gonna show y'all how much matted and tangled parts I got with trying to, this is how much. Like, I could have used 2 packs and that's it, but I ended up using 3. This is how much I got left. And I could have only used 2 packs, but since I had to, this is the hair that I could not detangle. Like, it would just get so matted. Oh my goodness. Like, this was like the worst install for me ever. Like, it looks pretty decent right now, but there's some parts like over here, like in the beginning, it's like so matted. I was just like, this is so annoying. Now, usually when I have hair, and this hair is super soft like this, but once you pull the hair apart, it's like it activates that frizziness in there. So usually what I do is, so the hair doesn't get as tangled, so it's kind of like a twist here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's kind of like a twist. So what I do is unravel that, and then I take my fingers down like that, and I do this on each side, okay? And then I proceed to pull the hair apart. Oh, and now it's gonna do it perfectly fine since I'm now filming this part. So the install portion will not be that long, because as y'all saw, your girl, I was struggling. I was really struggling trying to install this hair, and it's just like, oh my goodness, it's so much. It's like I cut it and like more tangled matted parts come back. This is probably gonna be my little portion of the review and an install together in the same video. So I just want to let y'all know, don't look forward to a review video, because I'm about to be taking this out pretty soon. Like, the curl is really cute. Like, I wanted to try something different. There were other hairs that I really wanted to try, but their colors were 33 and 30, and I said I was gonna take a break from trying those, but y'all, let me see if I can show y'all the part. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see it. See, look at this. Like, I can't pull that apart to even like do a middle part if I want to. Look at that. So I mean, I'm gonna see if I can try like another hair, but this, I was just like outdone by it. I'm like, and I have been waiting to try Trendy Tresses for so long. So I'm gonna come back real quick and I'm gonna tell y'all how much I spent for shipping and for the hair. Now, I bought 5 packs and I only ended up using 3. I could have only used 2, but okay guys, so the hair, it comes from London. I got my notes right here. The hair, it comes from London. I live in the US. Oh, I'm so disappointed. Okay, so I bought 5 packs, and for those 5 packs, my total came to $77.99. And for shipping, my shipping was $16.17. Okay, so yeah, this install took forever. Now, in each pack there comes little bundles like these, and they're like 10 of these small little bundles that I unraveled in each pack. But y'all, I am so sorry to say that I cannot recommend this particular type of crochet hair by Trendy Tresses. This is the first hair I tried. I don't know, and I ordered this before everything started happening. I ordered this February 1st. It shipped February 3rd, and I received my order on February 7th. So yeah y'all, but I'm so disappointed. I have 2 more packs left, and I can't even do nothing with it, because you know, usually I save hair and you know I can mix match it, whatever, but I can't even do that. Like, look at that right there. Oh guys, I'm so disappointed, and I don't want this video to be too long. I'm gonna try to put some of this, I love this, I'm gonna try to put some of this on here and see if it can kind of like tame it a little bit. But yeah, I mean, I don't even know, because the shipping, like $12.99, I don't even know what it's called, euros, pounds. So it was 62 pounds, and that converted to 77 in US dollars. And then, all right y'all, so that is pretty much it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. But I can say for me, myself, and I I will not be purchasing River Curl from Trendy Tresses ever again. I'm so disappointed in his hair because I was waiting. I think like 2 years I was like, oh, I want to order this hair so bad from Trendy Tresses, when I was like, I'm gonna have to wait forever because it's over there in London. Guys, I'm just so disappointed in this hair. But yeah, y'all, I hope this video was helpful to you, but I'll see y'all in the next, like, this is looking so crazy right now. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so disappointed, but all right.